Small forward number 23, Josh Galliano. And the other forward number 19, Art De La Cruz. Coming in at center number 28, Tikomodo Dragon, Michael Mabulak. And at power forward number 2, the Muscle Man, Vic Manuel.
Starting lineup for the Pangasinan Heat Waves, while Ilagan, Vic Manuel, the Muscle Man, trying to go for his first basket there, and he opens up the scoring festivities in this loss of the season.
That's a mismatch right there.
Alan Mina falls away, jumper short. Oh, but he gets the lucky bounce.
Well, it's very important also for Coach Louis' team
of this game. The Komodo Dragon, Mike Mabulak, hands it off to Galanza. Shot is good from the outside. Galing kay Bong Galanza.
That's one important.
And out to De La Cruz, Mina. They go to Galliano. Nice ball movement here for the Cowboys. It ends up in a miss. And Art De La Cruz right there to clean up the mess.
Defensive drop.
Fontanilla sees Manuel cutting to the middle, and Vic Manuel will score plus the foul.
Nothing more dangerous with the 5. Vic Manuel understands that. 2 guys went outside, leaving that entire lane for Vic Manuel to claim and score.
That's our assist of the game, brought to you by 1xBet.
For transition defense, another one right here.
Oh, Milencio turns it over. Alan Mina turns defense into offense. Off the 2 screens, they don't get it to him. They go to Manuel. Vic Manuel able to knock it down. Santos is left wide open by Vic Manuel, and Alex Santos makes him pay.
If we talk about Vic Manuel having a...
Olegario.
That's good.
A little bit of time remaining on that shot clock, and he was unfazed. Flores, he accepts himself from extending his total in this game, while J.R. Olegario says, look,
this league. Mike also shares that.
Was well defended there by Mike De Gregorio. Mark Dyke able to get an offensive rebound. He was fouled on the way up. That's going to go against Jay Collado, who's trying to argue his case.
Well, Mark Dyke is going to be napakahalaga para dito sa sa frontline rotation ni Coach Louis, because for the most part they really look undersized, pero yung mobility of their bigs has allowed them to run out, especially on long closeouts.
LG talagang maipakita niya yung full extent ng talent niya.
That is right. Natin yun.
Siyempre
para
naman.
Intense
Bakit
yung
naman hindi?
competition, di ba?
Always.
There you go.
Art De La Cruz continues to help Art. Drives to his strong side, kicks it to the corner. Dyke, he has that shot.
Yeah.
Dyke swishes it through.
There was a game where I think it was
already with 3. Hands it off instead to Gia. 5 on the shot clock. Galliano has to take it, and he makes it. Josh Galliano from the outside.
So
Robin pushing and pushing. Robin will score.
Pushing the ball, the length of the floor.
Dramatically improved.
Incorporate that make 3s para for Vic Manuel. That's gonna be big. 50% 3-point shooting siya in the last game.
Bong Galanza goes inside. Bong Galanza off the back and in.
Yeah.
Boys, Galanza though breaks free. Galanza short on the layup this time.
Oh man.
Mabulak right there to put it back in.
How important.
It's a drag screen from Mike. Robin. Floater is good.
It's one of his go-to plays. Side ball screen.
Bong has the
good
switching
read.
on to him. Oh, Mabulak couldn't finish. Napaganda pa para kay Mike Mabulak. De La Cruz from beyond the arc. Yes, sir. Art De La Cruz for 3.
Staying true.
Is it able to save it to Robin? Robin misses, but Mabulak is there again for the offensive rebound. Another 3-point play opportunity para kay Mike Mabulak. Now with the rock. Dyke has it again.
Oh,
Dyke
man.
6 the jumper.
When they got that point, the 2-for-1 now.
Mabulak inside. Making mincemeat of the defense of Art. Vic Manuel carrying the fight para sa kanila. in the first quarter. Then Mabulak tried to take over in the second.
Vic Manuel also spoke to the guards of their team. Sabi niya na na-scout na sila ng kalaban, lalo na siya at Mabulak for this second half. So they really have
To get another three-point play opportunity.
And why not? You know, Mike Mabulak understands he's got that range.
He's to tie or take the lead here with a 3 for Pangasinan. They go once again inside to the Komodo Dragon.
Mike scores best without.
They see
Agree.
a really big reason why they won that title a few years ago. De La Cruz, though, breaking the deadlock with the rock. Robin to the corner they go. Gabo for 3. Yes, sir!
Ganda ng position na yun.
Para sa Cowboys, De La Cruz looks inside to Mina. Mina, turnaround jumper is good.
Napakaraming paraan rin para umiscore tong si Mina.
To the basketball. Mabulak inside to Manuel. Vic off the gap.
Good proposition action where you have one of your bigs rising.
Ooh. Allen Mina laces up a 3-point shot.
Weak side post comes up. Ball side post goes high-low.
Slapper for the Cowboys. Jorin Napores to Gabo. Gabo.
Good kick.
Extra pass to Robin. And the Heat Waves get a 3 from the corner. He back. Galliano gives up a pass to Art De La Cruz.
Oh, that's going to be taunting right there.
And he, the Cowboys, Hesed Gabo speeding into the front court and scoring.
And you love to see that in Hesed Gabo. If you're position on the defensive side, it shows you the credibility of, you know, how much the coaching staff of Coach Louie has brought on the mindset.
57, Pangasinan down by a basket, but now Gab Gomez makes it a 2-possession ball game with that steal and finish in the third.
Ooh.
Santos throws it away. Gabo picks it up. Gabo gets the 2 points. It's now a 3-point lead for the Heat Waves.
Wow.
Gets it inside, plus the foul.
And you just love that for Hesed.
Well deserved as well.
Right. Well deserved too.
Dyke attacking the middle. Again, manufacturing a shot inside the paint. J.R. Olegario. Galing kay J.R. Olegario. Fontanilla gets inside and gets the roll on the shot. Both teams exchanging tremendous. Check out our fan of the game brought to you by LGR, the official outfitter of the MPBL.
That is right. And right now he's got 13 already. Sparked with that, starting off with that 3 to start the game. And just more overall good scoring here. 4 out of 8 from the field and perfect from the line.
If you just tuned in, the Cowboys perhaps maintain this advantage. Olegario though would want to tie things up, and he does with that booming 3-point shot from the corner.
What a wait, and that's the time that you eject the head coach.
Thank you, Coach Mike, for clearing that up with our technical. Leaves it for Gia. Quick spin to the baseline. Nakawala sa depensa ni Bonga Lanza. Josh Gia for 2.
Quickly, tried to cheat 3/4 on the high side. He goes baseline side.
That's our play of the game. Forces the issue there. That results in the miss, but Hesed Gabo perfectly anticipating where Gab Gomez was going to be.
Another turnover here.
There was contact, but no whistle was blown. Giab chases the loose ball and gets it into the basket for a layup.
Got it.
3-pointer, no. Offensive rebound here. Oh, Alan Santos. Big play coming from the big man.
And rightfully so for Alan. Getting in there and scoring that bucket.
Manuel drives on Dyke. Manuel, medyo nagkamali sa pektos doon. And Santos clears it. Marcos gets it into their front court. Gomez to the elbow. Santos sees Dyke. Vic Manuel is there, well defended there by the muscle man. Gabo draws Santos on the switch.
That's a mismatch. You got a mismatch somewhere.
They still try to go to Mabulak, but the pass well covered by the Ilagan defense.
Ganda ng pagkakatapik ng bola. Deflections.
Alan Mina, specialty of the house. Way off the mark. A shooter is usually the best.
Ilagan's got to do that now in the absence of Art.
Gomez, he's missed his last two. But he will not hesitate on this one. He knocks it down. Gab Gomez. Big shot. 5 before the break as we now enter the twilight zone. The final 2 minutes of this one. Johnny Napoles though, off the timeout. Big shot galing sa kanya. The Heat Waves go forward to Gabo. The bounce pass to the trailing Michael Mabulak.
How about
Pangasinan goes to Mike Mabulak. Mabulak shifting hands and finishing with the left. 92-80 na for 3. No. Fontanilla gets it back. Fontanilla nowhere to go. Fontanilla puts it up and gets the bounce. 2 points para kay Josh Fontanilla. With a chance here. 3-second differential between shot clock and game clock. De Gregorio goes to the corner. Galanza knocks down the 3-point shot. 94-92. On the shot clock here for the Cowboys. Santos against Jay Collado. The handoff to Alan Mina. Mina finds Giab, and Giab will score. We're all tied up at 94. No timeout called. De Gregorio has the basketball against Josh Giab. De Gregorio finds Mabulak, and Mabulak gets the 2 points. 96-94.
down the middle? Oh man, that action too.
Gomez got decked there.
Yeah, he
That's
did.
what they're trying to argue.
Right. Hesed was trying to, the other guy, I think that was Hesed, was trying to corner clear. But as that was going, Mike was pretty much, wow.
Here between these two squads, it boiled down to the last possession.
Oh yeah, it did boil down to the last. I mean, that's what they're trying to contest right now. That Mike Mabulak decking of was that Gab Gomez earlier?
Yeah.
Yeah. That was.
And
Wow.
Mike Mabulak is our best player of the game. Brought to you by 1xBet. Mabulak, he came alive, coach, in that third quarter.
That's right. That huge third quarter when he came in. That's where that version of Mike Mabulak that Coach Jerry